Good morning, boys and girls. I am really happy to see you again. Today we are going to be working on our math. Are you ready? Okay, at home, when we finish, I want you to count from 1 to 100 with your mommy or your daddy or your sister or your brother, okay? Right now we are going to count from 10 to 100 by tenths. Are you ready? Let's begin. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Now, let's do it one more time. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Okay, now we are going to do a number hunt, okay? I am going to be looking for some numbers, but I want to see if you can find them first, okay? So the first number that I am looking for is number 4. Can you find number 4? Very good. There's number 4. Now, can you find number 3? I see number 3. It's over here. Good job. Can you find number 7? It's green. Very good. You guys are doing a great job. Can you find number 9? That's good. Good job. Can you find number 2? There's number 2. Can you find 0? Excellent. There is 0. Can you find 6? I see number 6. Good job. Oh, I'm going to give you a really hard one. Can you find number 1? Good job. There's number 1. Can you find 8? There's number 8. And the last number is 5. Can you find 5? Very good. There's number 5. You guys did a good job. Let's go to the next page. Here we are going to review addition. Before we went on break, we were working on addition, okay? So I just want to remind you guys how we were doing this. We were counting the objects and then we were writing down the number. Are you ready? Let's practice. 1, 2. I write 2. How many candies do I have here? 1, 2. I write number 2. Now we count all the candies together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So let's read our sentence. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Very good. Now let's do the next one. How many candies do I have here? 1. Very good. There's number 1. And how many candies do I have here? 1, 2. I write the number 2. It's an ugly number 2. Now we count all the candies together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now let's read our addition sentence. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to try something brand new, okay? We haven't done this at all, but I want you guys to try it, okay? This is called subtraction. When we were doing addition, we were putting things together. 2 and 2 equals 4 together. When we do subtraction, we take away, okay? So if I have 4 and I take away 2, how many do I have left over? 2. Very good. I took away 2. Very good. So let's practice, okay? So here I have The first number is going to tell us how many there are in the group, okay? So this one is number 5. So there are 5 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 fishes swim away. We X them out. How many fishes are left? So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fishes left. Now we read our subtraction sentence. Ready? 5 minus 2 equals 3. This brand new sign is called the minus sign. Okay? Can you say it with me? Say minus. Very good. So let me show you with my hand. There are 5 fishes and 2 fishes swim away. How many fishes are left? 1, 2, 3. Same as my number 3. Very good. Now let's do number 6. Ready? There are 6 seahorses and 1 swims away. How many seahorses are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. There we go. Okay, let's go to the next page. And we are going to do some more examples, okay? So these are 10 fishes. See, I see 10, so I know there are 10. So there are 10 fishes and 5 fishes swim away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I X out 5. How many fishes are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Okay, can you read it with me? 10 minus 5 equals 5. Very good. Let's do another example. Ready? How many how many octopi, we say octopi when there's more than one. How many octopi do we have? 3. Very good. So here's the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So there are 3 octopi and 2 swim away. How many are left? How many are left? 1. Very good. Now read the subtraction sentence with me. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Good job. Let's go to our last page, okay? There are 4 seahorses. 4. There are 4 seahorses and 3 swim away. Let's X them out. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? How many are left? 1. Very good. Let's read our subtraction sentence. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Very good. Now let's do our very last subtraction sentence. There are 7 fishes. 7. There are 7 fishes and 5 swim away. Let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2. So we write the number 2. Now let's read our subtraction sentence. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to practice this at home, okay? So you can put your toys together and then take some away and see how many are left, okay? you can post videos, or if you do them on paper, you can take a picture of your paper so I can see what you are doing, okay? I miss you guys very much, and I love you so, so very much. I hope to see you guys soon. Besos.